A typical example is the accident involving the cargo ship Sea Eagle in September 2022 at Iskenderun Port, Turkey. During unloading at this port, the uneven distribution of cargo caused the ship to lose stability and capsize right at the dock. Another case occurred in January 2023 at Asaluye, Port, Iran. While moored and unloading cargo, the container ship Anil suddenly lost stability and capsized. This forced many crew members to risk their lives jumping from the ship to escape. The subsequent investigation revealed that the cause stemmed from a mistake in ballast water management by an officer on board. The ship subsequently sank near the dock.